Hi Librans, this is your next 10 days reading starting today, that is 9th of November to the 18th of November. I'm going to look at your time period for you. This time period is bringing in new changes for you. The cards have come out for you as I was divinating for your tropical sun sign, and also the moon sign or the people who have Libra in their charts can watch this reading for some takeaways, but overall it will match with the Librans born in the tropical sun sign period. So let's check up your tropical sun sign, your moon sign, your other placements, and you can understand what I am talking about. So uh, the first card which has come out for you is from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got an abundance message for you. It is saying release jealousy. Release jealousy. Jealousy is an affirmation that you don't have something, and the universe manifests exactly as you affirm. Let other people's success inspire rather than frustrate you. If they can have it, so can you. So, this is what the angels are wanting you to know. If there is a situation where there is a cause of rivalry or jealousy, immediately you have to consciously take it out of your being, because it's not good for you. So, what's on your mind? On your mind is Four of Wands. So, something good is happening in your life. Finally, something good is happening. Maybe some of you buying a new home. There is happiness, there is celebration. Some of you are getting married, or your children, or your someone close to you is getting married or engaged. There is some kind of celebration going on in your family. Some of you. Uh, some of you are getting a promotion also. Some of you are getting placement somewhere which you always wanted. Always wanted. There is also rich harvest of some investment that you did. It could be in the form of asset, property, career situation which is paying off finally, business paying off finally, a partnership for some of you. In love, this means union. This means you are meeting your partner, having good times with them. But what's happening is the Hierophant in reverse. So this could be good or bad. Good in the sense that if you were bogged down by the society, bogged down by the rules and regulation of various institutions in life, that is marriage, or school systems, job systems, rules and regulations, family and tradition. You are wanting to leave that. Some of you are wanting to leave that. Some of you are wanting that all these restrictions should go away. Why should I have to conform to everything that is told to me? Finally you are thinking like that because you are very happy, because you have achieved something. So this kind of thinking is also coming in. You are not having much faith in the traditions. So this is exactly opposite of something. If you are getting married, you are getting irritated with the the traditions and institutions of marriage, or the in-laws, or the extended family, or the rules and regulation. It could be some of you, for some of you, uh, or it could be rules and regulation of the organization where you work, or the rules and regulations or traditions of place of in a place where you are studying. So, or some of you are wanting to leave studies because you got the success, now you want to do something else. So kind of rocking the boat situation after a success. That is what I am seeing, and that is crowning you. That is the energy right now on your mind. So what was happening in the past? What is giving you this kind of thinking? So what happened in the past was some kind of loss. You were misled in something, and you felt that the decision you took was not good. The decision, you are regretting that decision, or some of you are okay with the decision, but you know what you lost. So there is some kind of loss. There was a situation of Five of Pentacles as well. So this is, somehow it is creeping in your life. It crept in your life in the past, that the change that was happening is not good. The change that is happening is bringing you misery. It could be a loss making situation. So you are scared, and some of you decided to walk away. So some of you decided to walk away from the happiness. Some of you decided to not commit, because this is a non-committal card as well, Hierophant reversed. So some of you decided to not commit in the past, in the recent past. You just decided that whatever may be the happiness here, I am not going to commit. I am going to walk away. So you walked away, and some of you are now regretting, maybe. Some of you are feeling that you let an opportunity pass, or maybe you have started working again towards it. Because what you saw was completion of the contentment that you received in a certain relationship, the happiness that you received in a certain place. You decided to leave it, and then you realized that how happy you were. But something like, you are also appreciating your singular moments, your achievements, or your freedom. I am seeing freedom in money. So some of you cut relations with the family. Some of you were contemplating changing your stance and deciding to not shift with the family, go someplace together and live on your own. Something like that is happening in your energies. That is what I am seeing. It has to do with home, it has to do with marriage, it has to do with partnership, it has to do with something which can bring you happiness, but you are choosing to live on your own. You are wanting to enjoy on your own, because you have done it all. You have seen it, done it, and you don't want it anymore. That was in the recent past. So what is happening at the current moment? You are feeling 10 of swords and 10 of wands. You feel that you have taken a lot. You have taken a lot in a relationship. You have taken a lot in a extended family situation, joint family situation, with your parents, with your children, and now it is too much. It is too much. The betrayal is at the highest level, and the disadvantageous position of carrying the burdens, carrying the responsibility also is at the highest level. It is now time to leave all that. It is now time to leave all that and think of a new beginning. You want to be single, you want to be on your own, you want to have your abundance, but you don't want togetherness, partnership, or some kind of relation. You don't want that. You want to be free. You want to be away from these tradition and social norms. That is what I am seeing, and it has to do with a new home. It has to do with a new setup. It has to do with some kind of achievement of your family home, of living together with someone, enjoying again in the same cycle that you have always seen. But rather than enjoyment, what happens is you are given all the responsibilities and you are betrayed. So this is what you are feeling. So currently you will be guarding whatever you have. Currently you will be guarding whatever you have. You will be guarded in your behavior, guarded about your material things, about your money, about your possessions. You will be fiercely guarding that. You wouldn't want to change. I am seeing, however, the change is coming. The change is coming with the World card. The World card clarifying this is saying a new opportunity is coming in. Whatever may be your belief regarding that, it is going to bring in some breath of fresh air. It is going to revive The relationship is going to revive for some of you. The job which you were wanting to walk away from, or the rules and regulations regarding money, regarding your career situation, regarding your love situation, regarding your family situation, you wanted to walk away, but something will upgrade, someone will apologize, someone will understand that what they were taking away from you, and a final upgrade is going to happen in your life. So it can be either moving away for you, or moving away with staying back for you. Whatever it is, the choice will be a success for you. It will be an upgradation for you. The lesson that you are learning at this point, becoming conscious of where you are placed in a certain relationship, where you are placed in a certain job, where you are placed in your life vis-a-vis others. This lesson is being learned by you, because the Saturn is making you learn this lesson. Understand that, see the truth where you are, whether you were unquestioningly giving away things to people. So now you are understanding this, that you need to be paid, you need to be taken care of, you need to be given the space in the house that you require, you need to be given that promotion that is required. If they require your services, then they need to value you. So the upgrade will happen. If you put your foot down. And what's happening in the near future, that is say from 10th to the 18th, what is happening with you? What I am seeing is, struggle is there, but you will be like a warrior. You will know what to do, how to put your arguments forward. There will be challenges, but you will be able to deal with them, because you are on the higher ground. You have always done for the family, always done for the people you work for, always done for this love or love relationship, always done for your children, always done everything, and you are on the higher ground. So people will have to listen to you, though it is a struggling kind of a situation, but you are going to win in the end. So you need to have patience and this fighting spirit. That is what angels are saying. So there can be face off between you, that is King of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. So there can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or someone having this moneyed energy, this energy of practicality, and there is you. This is sharp-minded, truth-speaking, and someone who wants balance in life, someone who wants to have their own thing, want their own space. They want their truth to be told, they want their truth to be heard. So there is either going to be the combination of two kings in your being, that is having the maturity of two kings, being practical, and also being intelligent about your your wants, your truth, your situation. So self value, self care is coming in with this. And the energy of convincing people with your stability and with your intelligence. That is what I am seeing. Or there is another person around you who is very practical and who is also very mature. So there is these energies of two kings. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying, what you feel, what you will feel in these 10 days is that fate is inevitable. Fate is inevitable, so one needs to have strength and see things with other people's perspectives also. Sometimes you need to sacrifice, sometimes you need to adjust, sometimes this truth will dawn on you if you were being a bit difficult, or you were trying to speak the truth and upset the apple cart. You will feel that the fate is inevitable in your case, and some karma debts still need they need to be paid. They need to be paid, and you need to be in perfect acceptance but something will be revealed, and there will be also realization for some of you that fate happens like this, fate comes like this. There is a cycle, there is a need for acceptance of some things in life. So you will feel that. So you need to have patience and strength and power to go through with it. So sometimes you could be an aged person, you could be a person who requires people around them. It could be that you are someone who is not well and you require people around you. So your decision to stay away from people, stay away from the drama and the bullshit might not help you. So, the truth will dawn on you. Though you are very powerful, though you can think, though you are very intelligent, and finally you are, getting to know this, but something will stop you. Something will stop you and ask you to adjust with the situation. That is what I am seeing. And, angels are saying, have compassion with the Queen of Cups. You have lot of love to give. Hangman and the Hierophant is telling me finally you will stick to the tradition. So the Hierophant, which was coming as reversed, in the outcome it will become upright. And this means that conforming, this means doing the right thing, this means sacrificing. Hangman is sacrificing for someone, or somebody, for your family, for your lover. So adjustment has to be done by seeing other people's perspective, by thinking of a karma cycle, by thinking of your fate, that some things are inevitable and I have to accept and stick with it. Whatever my intelligent and sharp mind is telling me, but my soul wants me to do the right thing. So this could be the final outcome of this, issue that I am seeing. This is asking you to conform to the tradition, conform to the rules of the household, conform to the rules of the institution, conform to the rule of the place of work. That is what I am seeing. And you have to be like a witness. You have to be there. You have to be there. That is what I see. So don't lose your faith. Have faith. Things will be all right. But yes, you are in this Three of Pentacles situation. You are feeling that whatever you may do, you have to achieve alone. Nobody is helping you. Nobody is coming forward. Nobody is helping you. So what's the point? I need to get out of this place. I need to get out of this place. You are always thinking, you are on the brink of that. You are making, planning, strategizing, plans. So this situation will rectify itself at the moment. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying, find the middle path. Find the middle path. The detachment that you are practicing at this moment, or that you are telling your mind to do, is actually a self-delusion. It cannot be achieved. So angels are asking you to take your time, negotiate, navigate, come to the middle path and bring in temperance in your behavior, temperance between you and them, whoever are around you. So you need to get out of your comfort zone, choose the right thing for you. Use the Queen of Swords energy. Don't be so clear cut like the King of Swords. Use Queen of Swords energy. See the broader picture. See the broader picture. See what holds for you in the near future. And show your love. You will find hidden love for you, or you will have lot of love for others. So what I feel is, there could be a misunderstanding between you and somebody. There could be a misunderstanding with family. There could be, feeling of betrayal. There could be feeling of burdens. But, angels are asking you to see the inevitability of this person or these persons or this institution where you are, marriage, or working in an organization, or working in a partnership with someone, you need to adjust, because grass is not greener on the other side. Staying alone and doing things alone will also not fetch you the results that you want. So that is what angels are saying. But many of you will take this decision of getting out. Many of you will stick around. Many of you will give people second chances. That is what I am seeing, because love will be found finally. So a new beginning, overwhelming situation in terms of emotions, but you will get to some place which will be good for you. So if Librans, you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who want specific readings, personal readings, they can contact me through the comment box for the same. These are prepaid and pre-booked and pre-slotted, so you need to think carefully and then come to me. Don't ask for immediate appointments. It can't be done, because there are people already every day I'm giving appointments. So you need to wait for some time, say maybe 3 or 4 days or 2 days for some of you. If you are lucky, you get a slot. It depends on the time zone. So people who are missing out my readings, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so that you get my readings on time, because these are not timeless, these are time bound readings. So that's it. Bye bye.